How can I help?
The phone's been having some trouble with charging.
Okay.
There's just a bunch of SIM cards at the back as well.
Okay, so yeah, so you still have a lot of dirt in your port. You see the metal pot right there?
Yeah.
It's meant to be completely flush with the phone.
And
it's not meant to wobble. 15-20 minutes? Yeah. Right, that's a lot better. It's cleaned out completely now, so it does actually charge straight away.
And it was dirt and...
Yeah, it had loads of dirt in it still.
Or when I would just like slightly touch it, it would just like, disconnect.
Yeah, I could tell. It was pretty
so
bad
much,
before.
man.
That's all right. And I've also cleaned up the switch, the buttons, around the camera,
Beautiful.
earpiece, that sort of thing.
Thank you so much.
It's just $35. The card machine's just around here. All right, let's see you all sorted.
Thank you so much, man. Appreciate it.
No worries, mate. You have a good one.